Now this illustration deals with dry niche type luminaires in accordance with 680.23c now. Notice that dry niche luminaire has a window, and notice has a drain pipe. So it's never going to fill up with water without it drains away according to 680.23c1. But notice the wiring method from the service equipment panel board to the deck box has to be rigid metal conduit, IMC, RTRC, or PVC, again in accordance with the rules of 680.23, F is in fun, 1. But notice in this case, maybe this is more of a wading type pool with maybe 3 or 4 foot or maybe even a 5 foot deep area. And they do not want a diving board. Maybe they just don't want a diving board, period. Then notice they could recess that deck box. Still has to be 4 foot back horizontally, but no vertical 4 inches up because it's flush. But notice the box shall be potted with a compound. That would meet 680.24A2 little c, or meet the authority having jurisdiction approval in accordance with 110.2, Article 100, approval, definition, on over to identified definition, listed in label definition, and then complying with 110.3, B as in boy. And that's basically the authority having jurisdiction in the sections they will use to approve this installation. So keep that in mind, that this illustration 11-29 is addressing dry niche luminaires with a drain pipe with a flush install deck box.